today we're going to do something different again. We're going to look at some new shoes that I bought. So it's going to be another unboxing video. This time these are Bally shoes. This is a pair that I already own. They're extremely comfortable, maybe even more comfortable than the Gucci's that I showed earlier. So yeah, let's take a look at them. The existing ones, I think these are the Orianos, and Bally is a Swiss luxury shoe company, or actually luxury products. I like them very much. Don't wear them too often. They're white, so it's really hard to clean them and to keep them white. So yeah, let's take a look at the shoes that I bought. These are the Kubas or Cubas, whatever you want to call it. It's Cuba with a K. And yeah, let's see. Alrighty, we got the scissors. So let's open this baby up. Ta-da! Let's take out the box. Get rid of this. Alrighty. We don't need that. So yeah, here the box. That's a cool box. This is the new logo. Yeah, they used to have just the word Bally and Switzerland. No real logo except the brand name. So I think they tried to modernize their brand a little bit. So let's see if that worked. Oh, look at that. Those are pretty cool. They smell new, that's for sure. Yeah, pretty cool. So you got the B at the back, Bally on the sides. Your new logo, Bally Switzerland. It says 1, 2, 3, 4. Not sure what that is all about, but these look like separate parts of the sole. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I like the extra laces. Gucci doesn't do that. Well, they didn't do it with the black shoe, or the black men's Ace sneakers. They did it with the blue ones that I had. Alrighty. Ooh. Get rid of the garbage. Yeah, so there we are. Let's try them on. Let's take off these Spendies. They're pretty cool shoes as well. Pretty comfortable as well. They feel really comfortable from the inside. Oh, cool! They've got the branding inside. That is pretty cool. And it says Cuba, made in PRC. That is the People's Republic of China. So, let's see. Well, the size is good. That's always a gamble if you order online. But luckily I already had Bally's, which were in my size. Let's go for the other ones. Yeah. Alrighty. Double check. So they're nice and padded from the inside, so it's really comfortable. Really comfortable. Yeah, they feel really good. So they're low top sneakers. So yeah, you probably want to wear them with higher socks. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, there you go. I'll put some close-up shots in the video after this, because there's a lot of details here, a lot of details to look closer at. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, please subscribe, so I can do more of these unboxing videos. I'm a shoe fanatic, so love to do more of these kinds of videos. Alrighty, thank you guys. See you guys later.